What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm real excited about today, 3rd of October. Water's still super low, super clear. I'm going to do a solo float. It's going to be about 3 to 4 hours. This river here is, or big creek really, it's hit or miss this time of year, so they're either going to be on fire or they're going to be dead. So let's get after them. Oh, it's a monster largemouth to start off the day. I mean, dang. One's right behind it. Said I saw him following it like a muskie. First fish on the Hellgrammite, first cast with the Hellgrammite. I just put some venom grab on it too. Got that June bug. I look back at my photos from the last 2 years fishing this river in October, and the June bugs seem to be very productive. It's always productive in this super clear water. Back to back. A largemouth, little spotted bass. It's number 5. Already caught a couple on the Plopper. All right, maybe 3 in a row. Maybe the third one's a big one. No, maybe, yes. Yep. 3 in a row with the Hellgrammite. First 3 casts with the Hellgrammite. It's not a monster, but it's not a dink. Drop my anchor here. They might be stacked right here. October 3rd. I don't know what the water temp is. I forgot my gauge. But that's fish number 5, I believe. Oh, this fish is cold. On that Nikko Hellgrammite June bug. I'm in the shade here. It's a very shady creek, river, whatever you call it. Cool. I mean, really. The Hellgrammite's popular today. Wow, I didn't mean to reel all the way down to him. I didn't realize he was that close. Spotted bass, or largemouth. It's a good spot. Yep. Fish number 7. Started fishing about 30 minutes ago on this big creek here. All but 2's been on that Nikko Hellgrammite June bug. I am the... Oh, he's still there. Figure eight this fish, watch. Got him. Figure eighted him. I figure eighted so many bass on the river this year, it's ridiculous. Really? Get off there. Come here, buddy. Number 13 on the Hellgrammites. Boy, he was not coming off. So I normally use Jade's jigs, but today I'm using lifted jigs because I don't have any neutral. All I have is chartreuse Jade's jigs with me, and they don't seem to want that the last few trips. I don't know why. Maybe it's just coincidence, but some kind of commotion going on down there. Got him. So I saw a fish chasing. Swimming right at me. Boy, little one, but man, he clapped it on the surface. Sounded like someone just straight up clapped their hands together. We're 14. It's gonna be a crazy good day out here. Just started an hour ago. Got him. It's number 15. And that monkey butt. No treble hooks in the fingers today. Chill, dude. Chill. Number 16. Number 18. No dink. That was cool. Saw him hit it. Best fish of the day, number 20. Number 20 for the day. on that monkey butt Whopper Plopper. Nothing real big yet, but having fun out here on the creek.